Welcome, dear learners. In this video, we will understand the scope of marketing research. I hope you have gone through the video of what is marketing research. Video link is given below in description, so if you have not seen, please watch that video. Now, the scope of marketing research is broad and essential for any business to thrive in today's competitive environment. It involves the systematic collection, analysis, and interpretation of data related to marketing activities and market trends. The primary objective of marketing research is to obtain valuable insights that can be used to make informed business decisions, develop effective marketing strategies, and enhance overall business performance. Here are some key aspects of the scope of marketing research. 1. Market analysis. This involves studying the size, characteristics, and potential of a target market. It helps businesses identify opportunities, understand customer preferences, and assess the demand for products or services. 2. Consumer behavior. Marketing research delves into understanding consumer preferences, buying habits, and motivations. By gaining insights into consumer behavior, companies can tailor their marketing efforts to better connect with their target audience. 3. Product development and innovation. Research helps in identifying gaps in the market and new product or service opportunities. It aids in developing and refining products that meet customer needs and desires. 4. Competitor analysis. Marketing research includes analyzing the strategies and offerings of competitors. Understanding the competitive landscape helps businesses position themselves effectively and identify areas where they can gain a competitive advantage. 5. Pricing strategy. Research can help determine optimal pricing for products or services based on customer willingness to pay, competitor pricing, and perceived value. 6. Marketing communication. Research helps in assessing the effectiveness of advertising campaigns, messaging, and promotional efforts. This ensures that marketing communication resonates with the target audience and achieves desired outcomes. 7. Brand perception. Understanding how customers perceive a brand is crucial. Marketing research can measure brand awareness, brand image, and brand loyalty, helping businesses strengthen their brand positioning. 8. Market segmentation. By segmenting the market based on various criteria such as demographics, psychographics, or behavior, businesses can tailor their marketing strategies to different customer groups effectively. 9. Distribution channels. Research helps in understanding the most efficient and effective distribution channels to reach the target market. 10. Customer satisfaction and feedback. Gathering feedback from customers through surveys or other methods allows businesses to gauge customer satisfaction levels and identify areas for improvement. 11. Social and cultural factors. Marketing research also considers social and cultural influences on consumer behavior, allowing businesses to adapt their strategies to cultural nuances. The scope of marketing research continues to evolve with technological advancements, data analytics, and changing consumer behavior. The insights gained from marketing research are invaluable for making well-informed business decisions and maintaining a competitive edge in the market.